Hello good friends, today I'm going to do something really weird. I hope you have nightmares. What am I talking about? I hope you do not have nightmares. So I saw this tiny face challenge on YouTube and I feel like I want to try it in my own version. Hello, my name is Sarah. So I put on some base, and then brows, and some weird ass eyeshadow colors. Right now I have metallic gold, metallic grey, and amber colors. Rose color. Not too bad. Metallic blue. Just spamming all the weird colors onto my eyes. Some dark colored shadows. Green eyeliner. Now I'm gonna do a contour. I'm gonna draw a tiny nose. I think my nose is not small enough. This is getting harder than I thought. So now I'm going to draw on the lips. But I'm just going to use an eyeliner to outline the lips in case I get it wrong. And I'm not even sure how white I want my lips to be. And I'm going to outline with a liquid eyeliner. I feel like I'm putting my makeup to really good use. Oh my god. I think I need to have the lips higher so I can have fuller lips. I'm gonna draw me some nostrils. Okay, I think my nose looks pretty decent now. Just gonna do up some touch-ups. And I'm gonna start filling in my lips. Color of my nose. Red color.
How do you like my little tiny face?
It looks weird as hell, but I like it. Mommy! I love you! Right?